Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtutor.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is 26. At the end of the July, the first month of the current physical years, the factory overhead account had a debit balance. Which of the following describes the natures of this balance and how it would be reported on the interim balance sheets? Option A, over applied deferred credits. Option B, under applied deferred debits. Option C, under applied deferred credit. Option D, over applied deferred debit. The correct answer of the question is option B, under applied deferred debits. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.